Welcome to Around Chicago, where today we are checking out Chicago's historic Riverwalk.
We're actually standing just a few feet under what might be called the epicenter of Chicago, Michigan and Wacker, which was the original site of Fort Dearborn, which was the very beginning of population of this area right here in downtown Chicago. And the Chicago River is now the home of the Chicago Riverfront Riverwalk, which we're going to take a trip down today.
Yeah,
shall we check it out?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You know, there's so many ways to access the Riverwalk. We're here at Wabash Avenue next to O'Brien's Riverside Cafe. And there are over half a dozen dining options down here by the river, right, Peter?
It's amazing how much has developed over the last few years. Look at this beautiful view here.
If you want to take a ride down the river, you can catch many boats down here. They've got water taxis, the architecture tour is a local favorite, and they even got Chicago's First Lady.
The Riverwalk is a great place to stretch your legs, exercise a little bit. Even before you get to the show in the morning, it's only 1.25 miles, and you can get some nice fresh air, watch the boats go by. And
then rent a kayak.
You can rent a kayak and start your day with a bang as you head down to McCormick Place for IMTS.
The Chicago Riverwalk is a fantastic way to see iconic Chicago. So if you're looking for just a nice walk out in nature or to eat at any of the half dozen fabulous restaurants, this is a fantastic way to experience Chicago. If you're interested, check out our website, imts.com/Chicago, to see what you can do here on the Riverwalk. It's been quite a great day, hasn't it?
Wow, what a beautiful day. And you know, every day's great during IMTS, so take a run down the Riverwalk.
Thanks for watching. To see more of the Around Chicago series, head on over to imts.com/IMTS TV for our full collection of fun Chicago attractions, hotels, and restaurants. Man, take a look at this view.